This is the all-new Santirx Engineering engine oil drain cap. With this cap, you will be able to access the oil drain plug without having to remove the undercarriage cover, a huge time saver. In addition, the kit will include the splash guard, which will prevent oil from splashing on the top of the undercarriage cover. This oil cap is now available to purchase in the link provided in the video and in the description below. In this video, I show the installation instructions. I start by removing the undercarriage cover. Alright, so now I removed the undercarriage cover of my 718, the one we have to remove every time we have to do an oil change. And in order for us to remove these, if we have quick jacks, it's almost more difficult to remove this undercarriage cover than it is to change the oil. I am now going to provide the detailed instructions for how to make the hole using the provided template and how to install the cap. Locate the template in the kit. Locate the rivet on the cover. Insert the template hole into the rivet. This will be your anchor point. Align the template edge to the metal frame by rotating it. Drill a small guide hole on the black dot on the hole saw image of the template. Remove the template and then use a 3.5-inch hole saw to cut the hole using the hole you have drilled before as the center. So now I'm going to make the hole. We'll make a 3.5-inch hole here, and then again, as I said, that should expose the plug, so I don't have to take this anymore going forward. To install the cover, unclip the main cover nut. Insert the cap on the other side of the cover. The rough part of the cap nut must face down to the cover. Install the nut and tighten by hand. Do not use a wrench. As an option, you could secure with a drop of glue, but it's really not necessary. Now install the actual cap You could install the whole thing with the cap in place. And this is how it should look like after installation. Alright, so this is the new cap for the oil change in the 718. So this will prevent everyone from, or anyone that install it, from having to remove this cover, which is very difficult to remove. So to change the oil, just remove the cap. This will expose the plug, right? Before you remove the plug, you install the splash guard. What this splash guard will do is will prevent oil when you remove the plug to go over the undercarriage cover. So you thread it just as the cap. Right. Now you can see it covers everything, right? So, and once you remove the plug, the splash will go down instead of going into the top of the undercarriage cover. Once you finish, just remove the splash guard. And then cover. That's it. Cannot be any easier.